Okay, we'll stop here for a while and I test the 0 to 100. How much I got? I'm 69 kgs, 5.5. They said it takes 6.23 seconds for to hit 100 Kmph. Okay, let's check my version. Let's see what I got, faster or slower. Time riding Continental GT 650 BS6. Okay.
KOINA Paibi Chekla câu lắm nữa bờ người linh sinh đi đất tu cơ đi cùng bờ tha chờ bờ mang nữa đúng xí bờ đờ bao tâm đi đất tu nâng buông ai chờ đâm ghê mai cây yên chờ đâm ghê. Lâm lan bơi đi Uram gỡ lại đêm đi nắng nở Nâng đi nung xì bơ đầu thân lờ bờ thơ môi Cần lâm gỡ ba mô bi nắng nở KOINA Paibi Chekla câu lắm nữa bờ người linh sinh đi đất tu cơ đi cùng bờ tha chờ bờ mang nữa nung xì bờ đờ. Lâm lan bơi đi Uram gỡ lại đêm đi nắng nở Nâng đi nung xì bơ đầu thân lờ bờ thơ môi Cần lâm gỡ ba mô bi nắng nở KOINA Paibi Chekla câu lắm nữa bờ người linh sinh đi đất tu cơ đi cùng bờ tha chờ bờ mang nữa nung xì bờ đờ. My day in Jerome.
set to 0. Okay, bye. Okay, we'll stop here for a while and I test the 0 to 100. How much I got? I'm 69 kgs, 5.5. They said it takes 6.23 seconds for to hit 100 Kmph. Okay, let's check my version. Let's see what I got, faster or slower. reach Hiengkot. See, we can see fog around here. See, so beautiful. The rain stops when we reach Hiengkot. It's so beautiful. We can see Churachandpur over there. That is the main road, the Paimuk main road. We can't see right now as it is covered by the fog. So beautiful. Hello YouTube. In this video I will be showing you the quick riding review of Continental GT BS6. This is Dr. Mayhem color. Oh, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. First of all, let's talk about the seat height of GT, this bike. The seat height is 9.3 millimeter.
9.3 millimeter.
You serious?
But I kind of feel high, maybe because of this flat size seat compared with my V3. This is 815 mm, but I feel the height is same, and I won't be telling you all the specifications of this bike. You can find it in lots of YouTube videos. 20 mileage kitna hai? 24 kmpl. That's what they said. I haven't tested yet. And the fuel capacity is 12.50. Back pain? Let me think. The rear set foot pegs and the clip-on handlebars make a sporty riding position. Some of you might feel back and wrist pain in the first time. As for me, you all know that my bike is a R15 V3. Aggressive riding position, so it's okay for me to deal with it. The rain stops. See the view. It's damn beautiful, yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, the slipper clutch works fine while downshifting. No wheel lock. We can ride without a tension on cornering and engine braking. Cruising on 80 to 100 kmph is so comfortable in this bike. Trust me. You won't feel it fast even if you hit 100 kmph on this bike. Once you give a little gas, the 47 horse strength hits 80 plus kmph easily. Cons of the bike from my point of view is the weight is too heavy for me, especially when we turn the bike, and then turning radius is kind of short. I once ride the Interceptor 650. The turning is quite easy than the GT. We'll show you one video captured on Insta360 cam top view. You'll see there how I struggled. Oh, I almost fall down. And the engine heat is disturbing me while riding. Even though I wear my riding jeans, I can feel the heat while riding. Apart from that, everything is perfect. This is it for today's vlog. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment your opinion about this. Signing out, bye bye.